everyone, my name is Lara Budeas. I want to show you the 3 ways of holding, lifting, and birthing the baby. Let's perform the proper hand hygiene. Let's start from lifting. Rather hold. First, let's begin to lifting. Lap hold. Then lift hold. Let's proceed to burping the baby, shoulder hold. Face down on your